Good evening Queensland, also a special welcome to our interstate and overseas visitors. My name is Christopher Whitehurst. I will be presenting the weather forecast for this evening. So now let's take a look at the satellite image, to have a look at what is happening around the nation. We have extensive thunderstorm activity which continues in the northern and western areas of the country. Within a broad area of low pressure, there is a trough, and areas of middle-level cloud which extends from an active area of thunderstorms over Western Australia to South Australia, joining to a cold front passing over Victoria and Tasmania, and there is prefrontal cloud over New South Wales. Patchy cloud can be seen over New South Wales and Queensland, where there is some thunderstorm activity which can be seen from Quilpie, Cunnamulla, Roma, and up to Gladstone. There is also a large field of speckled cloud which can be seen in the cold air to the south of Western Australia. Some important information has just come to hand. An initial flood watch has just been issued by the Bureau of Meteorology. We have a surface trough that will move eastwards into the central interior of the state during the weekend, and become slow-moving from the southeast inland through the central highlands to the tropical interior by Sunday. A very moist air mass of tropical origin will reside to the north and east of this trough. Scattered to widespread showers and thunderstorms will develop in this moist air mass over a broad area of inland Queensland in the next few days. We are looking at widespread 24-hour rainfall totals of 50 to 80 millimeters, with isolated falls of 100 to 150 millimeters, are expected over a broad area of inland Queensland on Saturday and Sunday, contracting to the northwest on Monday. River level rises above the minor flood level are likely. Additionally, any thunderstorms that develop in the flood watch area will be capable of producing locally intense rainfall with a threat of flash flooding, and severe thunderstorm warnings will be issued as required. Catchments at risk within the flood watch area include the Nicholson, Leichhardt, Flinders, Georgina, Diamantina, Thompson, Barcoo, Burdekin, and upstream of the Burdekin Falls Dam, Nogoa, Comet, Dawson, Warrego, Condamine, Boulogne, Moonee and Border Rivers. For the latest warnings please visit www.bom.gov.au/QLD/warnings to view the current flood warnings for Queensland. This flood watch means that people living or working along rivers and creeks should monitor the latest weather forecasts and warnings, and be ready to move to higher ground should flooding develop. Now let's talk briefly, for the last time, about this tropical low near Christmas Island. This afternoon, the tropical low, 95S, was located approximately 540 kilometers south-southeast of Christmas Island. The development to tropical cyclone intensity is not expected due to a highly unfavorable environment in the region. The system is forecast to move easterly over the next couple of days before dissipating. Now let's take a quick look at the heat wave conditions for the nation tomorrow. Tomorrow we are expecting low-intensity heat wave conditions to continue through northern parts of New South Wales and southern Queensland, with a very localised spot of severe heat wave conditions, as shown over the far southeast, near the Wide Bay and Burnett forecast district. Well, that's what's happening around the nation. Now we will take a closer look at what's happening in Queensland for this evening and tomorrow. So for Queensland this evening, there is a medium to high chance of showers and thunderstorms over areas north of the line, from about Birdsville to Bolon and to Gingin, with thunderstorms mostly inland. Apart from near the Gulf of Carpentaria coast, some heavy falls are possible with thunderstorms. There is also a slight to medium chance of showers and storms over the remaining southern inland. While we're expecting fine and mostly clear conditions about the southern coast, we are also expecting another warm and humid night over much of the state, particularly in southern and central districts. The winds for this evening is likely to be light to moderate northwest to northeasterly winds, fresh at times near the southern coast. Now let's take a look at some of the rainfall that has fallen today. Here is the highest rainfall in Queensland since 9 a.m. 15.0 millimeters has fallen at Normanton Airport, and 12.8 millimeters has fallen at Mount Bindango. 12.6 millimeters has fallen at the Burketown Airport. 12.0 millimeters has fallen at Fairview Station, and last but not least 10.4 millimeters has fallen at Lake Julius. Once again, more rain is likely for parts of Queensland tomorrow. So let's take a quick look at tomorrow's forecast. We are looking at showers and thunderstorms over much of the interior. Some heavy falls are likely under thunderstorm conditions, particularly over the northern and central interior. and into the Maranoa and Darling Downs. There is also a high chance of showers about the East Tropical and Gulf of Carpentaria coasts with possible isolated thunderstorms, while mostly fine conditions are expected about the remaining east coast, with just a chance of showers and just a slight chance of isolated thunderstorms, while hot and humid day is expected in the southeastern corner of the state with moderate north to northwesterly winds, fresh at times near the coast, light to moderate northeast to northwesterly winds elsewhere, tending fresh and gusty southeasterly in the far southwest. We hope you enjoyed this presentation, and we thank you for watching. This is Christopher Whitehurst for QSCHW.